guys, we're back here at the lake, here with Jacob. Still on the grind, trying to get a couple catfish. Using Kool-Aid chicken titties and CutBait today. We're going to see which one's working better. We only have 2 rods out with the CutBait and 4 with the Kool-Aid chicken titties. We may end up changing locations tonight, may not. We'll see what happens. Hopefully we can get on them. See you guys soon. Ba-boom, baby. These guys just dumped their whole truck inside the freaking pond. Whole freaking truck. They don't know what to do. They can't get it out. There's like a bunch of people. They were trying to get their boat on the trailer. They got another truck back here now. They're trying to get this thing up and going. Got a tow rope on it. One tail light went completely dead in the water. The other one's still on. Let's see if they can get this thing, huh? Damn mosquitoes, get out of here. This is funny. Right in the middle of this, all we hear is zzz. No.
Real.
Someone's got to go underneath the truck into the water upside down while holding their breath at night after the temperature drop and get that shit wrapped up. Oh, his battery just died. All the lights just turned off completely. Or he turned it all the way off. I think he tried to start it because he's got to try to help him, you know. I hope this guy in the Ford realizes he's still in reverse. Back up into it. Alright guys, while they figure this out, we're gonna go do a rod check together. Rod check. 1, 2, 3. Nada. Nada. A little bit. I haven't been able to. This has been going like this. I can't get it to stay tight because of that piece of grass right there. Oh yeah, his truck's dead, Jacob. He can't even get it on. Yeah, all he has is his brakes, guys. Oh my god. This is... You can't get him out. Why is his parking brake still on in the front car? Does he have his parking brake on?
I have no clue.
Like, you see the light? That's what I'm
I
curious
think that
about.
might be his running light.
Well, his headlights are on. Unless those are just the...
Yeah, his headlights are on.
Unless those are just his,
Oh, the truck in the water?
No, the guy out front. I'm confused why. Oh, he barely got out even without the truck attached. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Oh. Really coming down the dirt road? Hopefully the diesel will get it. This seems like a very heavy truck. Yeah, I think it's the box back too, not even a normal dually. It looks like it has the work back with the boxes and the metal back. He might just far it is. Look. Oh my god. Okay, guys, the door handle of the back door on his truck is in the water. Oh my god. The whole bed. Alright, guys, there's a truck in the water, and we just got a hit on the chicken titties. Kool-Aid chicken titties for the win. Oh my god, dude, if this is how this goes down, you know how hilarious that'll be? Alright, we got a dually over there, guys. We got Jacob here. Oh, the dually's got it, bro. Maybe. There we go. The dually got it. And here comes the trailer. Oh my god. Alright guys, the truck got pulled out. Look at all the water coming out of the cab. Oh my god, it's still just, they're gonna have to open the doors. Catch any fish? Thank you guys for watching today's video. As you noticed tonight, well, obviously we didn't catch any catfish, but we did have a gentleman actually drop his truck into the water twice. The first time being by himself. He was drunk and then was trying to get his boat into his trailer, I guess. I don't really know. His John boat was already on shore, but he backed the trailer like all the way in and put the whole truck in the lake, and then had to get out, and he couldn't get the truck out, so the truck was stuck in there. And then some dually helped him out. He got the boat and the truck out. Obviously it wasn't starting, so they picked up the boat anyway, even though he put it into the water for whatever reason, and walked it over to the trailer and dropped it on. After which they called a tow truck. The tow truck showed up and he attempted to put the truck onto the trailer, and at which point it ended up breaking whatever. I don't know what ended up happening, but the whole truck came flying back down and it jackknifed the trailer, and then the truck slammed the trailer and everything else back into the water. Went twice as deep as it did the first time, and the truck was actually floating around, luckily still attached to the cable, I guess. So they pulled it back out, but, you know, crazy night. Crazy night. We had a little bit of action, but no takes, and a truck fell into the lake twice. But thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more crazy outdoor videos. We do a video every Tuesday and every Friday with special drops in between. Hit that bell. See you guys later.